We're reviewing MONARD. It's a reversible function, night mode, app control, color adjustment, easy to install, easy to clean fan. Now these are not like those fans years ago where, oh man, you need two people to lift them up. And let me tell you, you're going to see how simple it is to install this fan and operate. I hope this application is easy to do than other ones. Now it comes in styrofoam, well packed indeed. So let's take this all out, give you a nice close-up look at what we get. This is the remote control. Just briefly going over it. It has the indicator on and off and fans. 6 speeds with the stop button. It has an on and off for the light and Kelvin and the light adjustment, increase and decrease, 1 hour, 2 hour timer, and the different types of lighting. They come with the supplied AAA batteries too, and you just simply snap the cover on, and you take the actual base and remote to snap it into place. This is the base that you're going to hook up. This is the fan. You can't get your fingers hurt. A little kid can get their fingers in there. This is the lighting, and this is the whole unit. And that's the inside remote control, 2.4 gigahertz, your leads, neutral and load. You give in wing nuts, anchors, screws, and all. Let's not forget, you have to have the app to run the fan and instructions on how to use things. And the remote control, all the information. We have our bracket installed to our junction box. We have our neutral and load hooked up. And what we're going to do is we're going to align all our holes to match up. Put all the screws on, make sure these things are tight. So I'm going to turn my AC on. The lights come on. And on the remote control, I could turn on and off the lights in the center button over here. I'm going to put the fan on about 2. It took about a little delay. And let me get underneath it. I'm happy this got one of those blade protectors because look at me. I could hit the thing. And this is blowing. It's doing a great job. Now I want to go play with the buttons and see what they can do. I'm dimming the light down. And I see 2, 4, 6. There's probably 100 LEDs here. Different kelvins. Brighten up the light. Nice. It is a nice and quiet fan. Now the thing we have to do now is hook it up to the application. And that's where I may show and not show some of the security information. We all know how to take a phone, open up the picture, and all you do is you scan, and that's it. JasonGhost.com. Go to the Apple Store for the Fun Lamp Pro. You're going to have to shut your AC off on the fan and switch it on. If you have your fan on the switch, you're able to reconnect it super fast. It's asking to connect to the Bluetooth. It's asking for living room, bedroom, study. I want to make it my study because that's what this is. I'm going to add the device. Please enter the device. Confirm. I'm going to call it a name. Long press the device to delete or device name. Okay. Pair button in order to ensure that the application is blah, 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 blah. So you got to turn the unit on within 5 seconds. Pair it. Manual off. Turn it on. You notice the light blinked. We're paired. Simple as that. I got a cool name for my fan. I want to turn it on. Oh boy, that thing just started to spin. I got all these things to do. The dimming operation cannot be carried and when the lamp is off. Okay. So let's turn the lamp on. Let's dim it. Let's go to night light. Let's change the color. Let's shut the fan, shut the light. There you go. So the app is very easy to use. It really is. It's that simple. You can use your phone or the remote. All up to you. I thought this top piece here changed colors. It does not. This is a very easy and simple looking fan. They say it's very easy to clean. I don't see how you can take anything off to get to the blaze, but on top and inside. If you're in a college dorm, a rental apartment, or even your study or studio like I am, and you want something that's going to light up the whole area, give you a beautiful color, this fan may be right for you from MONARD. I hope you enjoy your product. A very easy and simple, lightweight install. Have fun with your fan. Have a great day.